Hi everyone, welcome to Triple Department Lecture Videos YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Electrical Machines Laboratory 1, experiment number 1. The experiment number 1 is open circuit and short circuit test on single phase step up or step down transformers and predetermination of efficiency and regulation. Calculation of parameters of equivalent circuit. So, first we will see the experiment aim. The aim of experiment is by conducting open and short circuit tests on single phase step up or step down transformers to predetermine efficiency, voltage regulation and also to calculate its equivalent circuit parameters and draw its equivalent circuit. So, we will do the experiment on step down transformer. So, either you can do the experiment based on step up or step down transformer. So, this experiment we will conduct step down transformer and we will find out the efficiency voltage regulation for different power factors and also we will calculate the equivalent circuit parameters. Okay. First, nameplate details. Okay. Rated capacity of the transformer is 2 kVA. Rated primary voltage is 220 volts and secondary voltage is 110 volts. Since secondary voltage is 110 volts and primary voltage is 220 volts, the transformer is step down transformer. So, we are conducting OCSC test on step down transformer. Okay. Now, we will move to the operators required. So, these are the operators are required to conduct the test. So, voltmeter. So, two voltmeters are required. One is 0 to 300 volts MI type, that is AC. MI means moving iron type. So, AC parameters we can measure using this MI type voltmeter. And 0 to 150 volts MI type, to each one quantity is required. And ammeter 0 to 5 amperes, 0 to 10 amperes, both AC type ammeters are required. Then wattmeters 5 amperes, 300 volts, a low power factor LPF. So, the power factor value is 0.2 wattmeter is required, and 10 amperes, 75 volts, that is UPF, unity power factor wattmeter, the cos pi is equal to 1, and connecting wires as required. So, these are the operators are required. And fuse ratings for OC test 10% of rated current. So, rated current of the transformer is 9.09 amperes. So, we are taking 0.909 amperes for OC test, and SC test is 125% of rated current 10 amperes. So, rated current is 10 amperes for SC test. Next one, before going to do the experiment, we need to take some of the safety precautions. So, before going to start this experiment, a DPST switch be open at the time of starting. So, DPST switch should be open, it should not be closed in this experiment before starting. And single phase transformer should be in minimum position and at the time of starting. So, we are using here auto transformer as a single phase transformer. So, single phase transformer is in single phase auto transformer in minimum position, that is 0 position before going to start the experiment. So, moving to the procedure for OC test, connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. So, we will connect the circuit as per this diagram. So, here auto transformer, voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeters and step down transformer we are connecting. Okay. And by keeping the single phase auto transformer voltage output position 0 output position, the supply switch is on. Next, by weighting the single phase auto transformer voltage gradually and apply rated voltage to the primary side of the transformer and keep the secondary side open. The primary side rated voltage applying and by keeping the secondary side is open. So open circuit test, the secondary terminals of the transformer should be in open. So only will give connection to primary side. The readings of all the meters are noted down. So by applying the rated voltage, so voltmeter reading, ammeter reading and wattmeter reading we have to note down in the table column. The single phase auto transformer is brought back to its initial zero output position. So we have to move back our transformer to zero position. The supply switch is off. Supply we have to disconnect. Okay. So this is the diagram. So here we have our transformer. So this is auto transformer. Voltmeter we have connected across our transformer. Ammeter connected series. So wattmeter, LPF wattmeter, and so transformer we have connected here. Okay. So in this for C test. So next SC test we will see. So procedure for SC test, connect the circuit as per circuit diagram by keeping the single phase auto transformer voltage 0 output position. The supply switch is on. By varying the single phase auto transformer, a voltage is applied to primary side of the transformer such that the rated current flows through it short and secondary side of the transformer. The primary rated current is given by I1 equal to kVA into 1000 divided by rated primary. So here the primary rated current you will get 0.909 amperes. So the primary rated current value, this value. So next one, the readings of the all meters are noted down. So voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter readings are noted down in the tabular column. Next one, single phase auto transformer is brought back to the zero initial position. So zero position we have to make and supply switch. So this is the procedure for C test, C test. So diagram, the only difference in this SC test is compared to OC test. Here we will use UPF wattmeter. Here we will use 10 amperes ammeter, and voltmeter will take 0 to 150 volts. And here the main difference is the secondary side of the windings are shorted. The secondary side of the windings are shorted. So this is the main thing. And we will move to the calculation part. So before going to do the calculation part, we will see the demonstration of the experiment. Now this is a experiment demonstration. So here taking the step down transformer 220 bar 120 volt, the transformer rating is 2 kVA. So connections are made as per the circuit diagram. So voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter and auto transformer. So before going to start the experiment, we have to keep the auto transformer in zero position, then switch on the supply and apply the rated voltage by using auto transformer. So auto transformer using, we are applying the rated voltage, that is 220 volts. So voltage we can check it in voltmeter. So then we can check the current in ammeter. So here we are getting 0.05 amperes and wattmeter readings. So the power consumption in OC test is you can measure using wattmeter. So all the readings are noted down in the tabular column. So voltage, current and wattmeter readings. So only one reading we have to take in this OC test. So wattmeter reading is 10 watts. Then we have to note down the multiplication factor of the wattmeter. So it will be measured in the bottom of the wattmeter. So before going to stop the experiment, bring back the auto transformer to 0 initial position and switch off the main supply. Then we will do the conduct the experiment on SC test. So connections are made as per the circuit diagram. So here you can see the secondary terminals are shorted. So here also using the same transformer 220 bar 120 volts step down transformer. So 2 kVA rating transformer, secondary is shorted. Here wattmeter you have to take UPF wattmeter. So in previous experiment we have OC test we have taken LPF. So before going to start the experiment, we have to ensure the auto transformer in 0 position, switch on the main supply, then apply the rated current using auto transformer. So rated current is 0.909 amperes. Note down the voltage, current, power in tabular column for SC test. So 17.3 volts, 9.1 amperes, and wattmeter is some 50 or 50 watts. So similarly note down the wattmeter constant. Before going to switch off the supply, bring back the auto transformer to 0 position and switch off the main supply. So now we can check the wattmeter constant. So it is measured bottom of the wattmeter. So according to voltage and current, so we can check. So voltage is 300 volts and current is 120 ohms. So multiplication factor K is equal to 2. So 2 is the multiplication factor. Whatever we are getting the wattmeter reading, we have to multiply with 2. Okay. So now we'll see the calculation part. So these are the values we calculated from this test, OC test and SC test. So now we have to do the you have to find out the efficiency and regulation using these formulas. For off load, K value is equal to 2. So we have to find out the copper losses, core losses, that is call it as a constant losses. Then find out the output and input using these formulas. Finally calculate the efficiency. So next one you have to calculate regulation. Regulation formula is I2 R02 cos pi plus or minus I2 X02 sin pi divided by V2 into X into 100. So for plus is for leading plus or minus is there. For plus is for lagging power factor, minus is for leading power factor. So LV side how we will calculate X0 and X01 and R0 and R01 using these formulas. So using those formulas, so efficiency for power factor 1 is for 25% load 84%, for 50% load 85%. So using that formulas we can calculate these values. And regulation. So regulation for power factor 1, regulation is for lag 75%, for lead minus 66%. So using those values you can draw the graphs, efficiency versus output and regulation versus power factor. And the result, finally result you have to write after completion of the experiment. Open circuit short circuit test is in a given single phase transformer is conducted and efficiency and regulations are predetermined, and also its equivalent parameters are calculated and its equivalent circuit drawn. So, this is the experiment of OCSC test on single phase transformer. Okay, thank you everyone.